Let me guess. You were just scrolling and saw another viral DIY face mask promising unbelievable results from a few kitchen scraps. I get it. They make it look so easy, so natural. But that lemon and baking soda concoction you saw on TikTok? It's less of a skincare hack and more of a one-way ticket to a damaged skin barrier. The truth is, many of these viral recipes can irritate your skin, mess with its natural balance, and actually cause the problems you're trying to fix, like sensitivity, breakouts, and redness. But don't worry, I'm not here to tell you to fear your own pantry. Instead, I'm going to give you the only 3 recipes you'll ever need. These are built on ingredients that dermatologists actually recommend as safe. They're backed by science, and they use simple things like oatmeal and honey that are truly worth your time. So, if you're ready to get glowing, healthy skin the right way, stick around. Before we get to the good stuff, we have to talk about the ingredients that are out here sabotaging your skin. Just because something is natural does not mean it belongs on your face. First up, the biggest offender, raw lemon juice. I see it everywhere, pushed as a miracle for brightening and fading dark spots. While lemons do have vitamin C, slapping raw juice on your face is a terrible idea. Here's why. Your skin has a happy little protective shield called the acid mantle, with a pH of around 4.5 to 5.5. Lemon juice has a pH of about 2. Putting something that acidic on your face can seriously disrupt that barrier, leading to irritation and dryness. Even worse, for some people, citrus juice on the skin followed by sun exposure can cause a nasty reaction called phytophotodermatitis, leading to painful burns and the exact dark spots you were trying to fix. It's a potential risk that's just not worth taking. Next on the blacklist, baking soda. It's often touted as a natural exfoliant to scrub away acne. The problem here is the opposite of lemon juice. Baking soda is highly alkaline. Using it on your face can throw your skin's natural acidity way out of whack. That squeaky clean feeling is actually the feeling of your skin's protective oils being stripped away, which can damage your skin barrier. A compromised barrier can't hold on to moisture, leading to dryness and flakiness. And it becomes an open invitation for bacteria, which can trigger even more breakouts. You're literally creating a better environment for the acne you're trying to fight. Finally, let's chat about those super harsh physical scrubs. I'm talking about coarse brown sugar, coffee grounds, or crushed nutshells. While exfoliation is great, these jagged, rough particles are just too aggressive for the delicate skin on your face. They can cause tiny micro tears in the skin's surface. You can't see them, but your skin definitely feels them, often responding with inflammation, redness, and sensitivity. Gentle is always the way to go. Now that you know what to avoid, how do you approach DIY skincare safely? It's not about randomly cocktailing ingredients from your fridge. It's about being smart and respecting your skin. Before I spill my top 3 recipes, here are the non-negotiable rules. First, and this is the big one, always patch test. I can't say this enough. Even with the safest ingredients, you could have a specific allergy. Before putting a new mask all over your face, apply a little bit behind your ear or on your inner wrist. Wait a full 24 hours. If you see any redness or feel any itching, that mask is not for you. Simple as that. Second, hygiene is everything. Think of it like cooking for your face. Always start with a clean face, clean bowls, and clean utensils. Use fresh ingredients. That yogurt that's been hiding in the back of your fridge for 3 weeks? Yeah, that's not it. Old ingredients can grow bacteria, which is the last thing you want to introduce to your skin, and make your masks fresh every single time. They don't have preservatives, so they're a one-and-done deal. Third, know when to say when. More is not better. The sweet spot for a DIY mask is between 10 and 20 minutes. Leaving it on for too long can cause irritation, even with gentle ingredients. When it's time to rinse, use lukewarm water and pat. Don't scrub. And always, always follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in all that goodness and keep your skin barrier happy. Alright, this is the moment you've been waiting for. I'm going to share the only 3 DIY face mask recipes you'll ever need. These are built on ingredients that are known to be gentle, beneficial, and safe for most skin types. Recipe number 1. The ultimate soothing oatmeal and honey mask. This is my holy grail for when my skin is feeling red, irritated, or just needs a comforting hug. It's a dream for normal, dry, and sensitive skin. You'll need 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal, just pulse plain, unflavored oats in a blender, 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered honey, and a splash of water or milk to get the right consistency. Oatmeal is a true skincare hero. Colloidal oatmeal is even recognized by the FDA as a skin protectant. It contains compounds that are incredibly anti-inflammatory and a substance called beta-glucan that forms a fine film on your skin to lock in moisture. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. It's also naturally antibacterial, which is great for helping calm things down. Just mix the ground oatmeal and honey, then slowly add a little water or milk until you get a thick, spreadable paste. Apply to a clean face, chill out for 15 minutes, and then gently rinse. Your skin will feel unbelievably soft and calm. Recipe number 2. The Cooling Aloe and Cucumber Refresher. Think of this mask as a tall, cool glass of water for your face. It's perfect for when your skin feels tired, puffy, or has had a little too much sun. It works for all skin types. You will need about 2 inches of a fresh cucumber and 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. Cucumber is over 95% water, so it delivers a fantastic burst of surface hydration. It also has a natural cooling effect that feels amazing and helps reduce puffiness. Aloe vera is another hydration powerhouse, famous for its soothing and healing properties. It contains compounds that help repair the skin barrier and deliver moisture. This one is so easy. Just grate the cucumber or blend it into a pulp, then mix it with the aloe gel. It'll have a more gel-like texture. Spread it on your skin and enjoy that cooling sensation for about 15 minutes. It's a game changer for depuffing in the morning. Rinse it off, and your skin will feel refreshed, plump, and happy. Recipe number 3. The Gentle Glow-Boosting Yogurt and Honey Mask. If your skin is looking a bit dull and you want that glow back, this is your mask. It provides a super gentle exfoliation to reveal brighter, more radiant skin. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. The magic here is the yogurt. It's rich in lactic acid, one of the gentlest alpha-hydroxy acids, or AHAs. Lactic acid works by dissolving the glue holding dead skin cells together, letting them slough away without any harsh scrubbing. This reveals fresher, brighter skin underneath. It's a rare exfoliant that also hydrates. Paired with the moisturizing benefits of honey, you get a mask that nourishes while it brightens. Just mix the yogurt and honey together, apply a thin layer, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. You might feel a tiny tingle. That's just the lactic acid doing its job. Rinse it off and you'll see visibly brighter, smoother skin. So there you have it. We've busted the myths. And now you have 3 safe, simple and effective recipes that will actually nourish your skin instead of stressing it out. The secret to healthy skin isn't some extreme kitchen experiment. It's about using gentle ingredients that support what your skin naturally does best. Remember the golden rules. Patch test, keep it clean, and be gentle. Your skin deserves to be supported, not punished. So the next time you see a wild skincare hack online, you'll know to just scroll on by. Stick to what's safe, and your skin will thank you. What's your favorite safe DIY skincare ingredient? let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful and want more science-backed skincare advice, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching.